Igbo bụ nnu. So that it can't do without us. That's why it can't do without us. We are salt. I believe without anything you cook without salt cannot work out. So whether you take it or leave it, you can't do without. Nigerians cannot do without Igbo. They can never do without Igbo. We are the salt. And no matter no matter what you cook, no matter the ingredients you put in any meal, without salt it cannot work. If you are cooking anything, whatever you are cooking, for that thing to be favorite, for that thing to be sweet, for that thing to make sense, man need get in here. So for only one thought on an Igbo, when you have see no work, you must put in salt. And Igbo salt, Igbo, it can't do without us. It can't do without Igbo. Without us, this country cannot do. They can't survive. Forget about all the sentiments they are doing. If they feel that we can survive, let them live, allow us to go. But then it is not possible for them. They can't do it. I keep on telling people that Igbo, Bunni, if I Bunni, without you know what if you may see, you can't see anything, you can't cook anything without salt. You cannot cook anything. We are salt of this nation, whether they take it or whether they like it or not. Whether they take it or not, we are sort of this nation. One no what to see on the child is so. What about is on the so? We are five go. Without us, they can't do anything. Without us, they lose their taste and their value. I want to be able to the taste. I want to be able to the aroma of any miracle. We are sort of the nation. If they demand something, it's just that they don't want to give us the power. They don't want us to rule. But if you check out what is happening in the country today, you will notice that now only the man that will put this country in order. Check out now. Check our people outside. Out of the country. Look at Philip Emagwale, computer scientist. Look at our mommy, she's doing very well. Look at our sister, Chairman Dadiche. She's doing very well. So what are we saying? Something will be happening. And then you go that thing. Go and verify. So Barulu, if I give Chineke a lie, so whether they like it or not, we are sort of this nation. We are sort of the world. Not even only this nation, we are sort of Africa. Okwan Koram, no,